Have you ever wondered at how your neighborhood can combat the effects of climate change? If you want to know all about this, then stick to the video till the end. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hey there, eco-conscious viewers. Welcome back to Climate Current YouTube channel. Today, we have an empowering topic on our hands: how to create a climate action plan for your community. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of community-driven climate solutions, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also ring the notification bell to stay updated on our journey toward a greener, more sustainable future. So, let's jump right in. Now, before we're going to start our journey toward creating a climate action plan for your community, it's essential to grasp why such a plan is absolutely crucial. Our first step involves peeling back the layers to understand the profound impact of climate change on the very fabric of your community, from the air you breathe to the community you depend on, and also the health of everyone in it. Firstly, let's talk about the local environments. Climate change isn't just a global issue, it's deeply personal. Rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and extreme weather events directly affect your community's natural surroundings. This could mean shift in ecosystems, changes in local flora and fauna, and also disruption to the delicate balance that sustains your environment. Now we are going to discuss our second topic, and that is gathering community support. Now that we have laid the groundwork by understanding the pressing need for a climate action plan, our next critical step is ensuring a united front. As the saying goes, that no plan succeeded without a united front. In this segment, we'll delve into the strategies for gathering robust community support, recognizing that the strength of your climate action plan lies in the collective commitment of your neighbors. Firstly, consider the power of face-to-face interaction by hosting town hall meetings. We believe that these gatherings provide a platform for an open dialogue, allowing community members to express concerns, share ideas, and also collectively shape the direction of climate action plan. These town hall meetings fosters a sense of inclusivity, ensuring that the voices of diverse community members are heard and also valued. Next up, our topic number 3: assessing local risk and vulnerabilities. Every community in the world faces unique climate challenges, and in this segment, we'll guide you through the process of assessing local risk and vulnerabilities. From rising temperatures to extreme weather events, understanding your community's specific challenges is the key to crafting a targeted and also effective climate action plan. Next up, our topic number 4: setting realistic goals and targets. Now that you know the challenges, it's time to set goals. Segment 4 will focus on establishing realistic and also the achievable targets for your community. We'll explore the importance of measurable objectives and how they contribute to the overall success of your climate action plan. Next up, our topic number 5: developing actionable strategies. Now let's get practical. In this segment, we'll delve into the development of actionable strategies. From energy efficiency initiatives to waste reduction programs, we'll showcase real-world examples of communities that implementing effective measures. So get ready to turn your community's aspirations into concrete actions. Next up, our topic number 6: collaborations with local authorities and businesses. Collaboration is key to success. We'll discuss the importance of partnering with local authorities and businesses. Explore how these collaborations can bring additional resources, expertise, and support to your climate action plan. It's all about creating a network of sustainability advocates for lasting impacts. Next up, our topic number 7: monitoring, evaluation, and adaptation. Our final segment revolves around the long-term success of your climate action plan. Learn the importance of continuous monitoring, evaluation, and adaptation. We'll guide you through the process of staying agile and responsive to the changes, ensuring that your community remains at the forefront of sustainable practices. And that's it, there you have it, Eco Warriors. We have equipped you with the knowledge and tools to create a powerful climate action plan for your community. Remember, changes begins at the local level, and together we can make a significant impact. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your community and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more actionable insights on sustainable living and environmental advocacy.